Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to remove Epic Games parental controls. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Epic Games Store provides a parental control feature to help parents manage their children's access to games and content. If you want to remove or adjust parental controls on an Epic Games account, you would typically need to do the following. Step 1. Visit the official Epic Games website and log into the account for which you want to modify parental controls. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Look for a section related to parental controls or family settings. This might be labeled differently, so check for terms like family and friends or parental controls. Step 3. Some platforms may require you to verify your identity before making changes to parental controls. Follow the provided steps for verification. Step 4. Once you are in the parental control settings, you should see options to adjust or remove controls. This might include age restrictions, spending limits, or other content restrictions. Step 5. If there are specific settings that need adjustment, follow the on-screen instructions to make the changes. Step 6. After making adjustments, be sure to save the changes if there's any. And if you encounter difficulties, or if the specific process has changed, consider reaching out to the Epic Games support for assistance. They can provide guidance based on latest features and settings available on the platform. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.